Hello, welcome to Alpha Power Cleaners. My name is Rob Freeman and today we're going to be looking at the Tennant T500 pedestrian floor scrubber dryer, and in particular what to do if you've got no suction performance on the machine. Now the first thing we'd always recommend is to make sure your recovery tank is empty and flush through. You can see the recovery tank here, which can be rinsed out and drained out by the dirt hose on the back of the machine. Ensure the cap on the drain hose is positioned right and fully secure, otherwise you will lose suction performance here. If at this point you've turned the vacuum motor on using the foot pedal on the suction bar and you've still got no vacuum motor, please contact Alpha Power Cleaners. If at this stage the vacuum motor is running, the next thing to check is your suction hose from the squeegee bar up to the dirt tank. The suction hose can be found here and should be checked, ensuring that there's no blockage either in the hose or at the top of the tank. After that, if you put your hand on it and you've got suction, normally means you've got an issue somewhere on your squeegee bar. The squeegee bar can be removed as so. Check the little debris tray in the top of the suction bar just to make sure there's no foreign objects or build up of debris. Turn it over, check the suction nipple and check the squeegee blades for condition and any debris. Refit this back to the machine once it's all clean. Give the machine another run, and if you're still struggling with poor suction performance, contact Alpha Power Cleaners.